Good morning, everyone. This is your English class, and today we are going to study our next topic, that is adjectives. So let's get started. So basically, yesterday, dear students, we studied degrees of comparison. So some adjectives are here, and they are having the 2 second degree, means two uh, comparative degree, right, and two superlative. So we need to understand what are the differences between those degrees. Okay. So first of all, we are going to understand about older and old and eldest and oldest. So what are the differences between these adjectives? Okay. So let's start. Elder and older mean more advanced in age. But while older can describe things as well as people, elder is reserved for people only. Elder can also be used as a noun, as in respect your elders, whereas older can't. So, dear students, basically we have to understand elder we can use only for people, human beings, but older we can use for non-living things and people also. Okay, जब कोई हमसे उम्र में ज्यादा हो तो उसके लिए older or elder we can use both the words. We can use elders, basically we use for the people, basically we use for our family members, and older we can use for living things and non-living things too, right? So let's understand this difference with some examples. Here you can see that my brother is elder to me. So I'm talking about my brother, means my family member, and he's elder. Elder means umar mein zyada hona, bada hona. So here I can use elder. And secondly, dear students, you need to remember this: after elder, two word will come, not then. Okay. So if two word will come, so it means we are talking about the elder, means family member. Suppose I say that Punis sir is older than me. So I'm just describing that Punis sir is more advanced in age. Okay. So here you need to see that for human being we can use older too, but after older we need to use then. Basically for people and who are family members we should use elder. Older also we can use for people, but after older we need to remember then word will come. Next sentence: this building is older than that building. So we are talking about the building, that is non-living thing, means that is not human beings, right? So for that, if that is aged in a so that is more advanced in age, so we need to use older, not elder. Suppose four brothers are here, like Ram, Lakshman, Bharat, Shatrughan. So we can say that Ram is the eldest of four sons. राम इज द एल्डेस्ट ऑफ फोर सन्स, यानी कि इन चारों भाइयों में राम सबसे बड़ा है. सो हियर यू कैन यूज द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री, राइट? नेक्स्ट, द हाउस इज eldest house of any other house in the city. So this sentence is wrong because we have used here eldest, and we know that eldest word we can use for the people, basically for the family members. So that's why this sentence is wrong. Instead of this sentence we should say this sentence: this house is the oldest house of any other house in this city, right? So once again understand that. Let me take marker. Okay, yes. Older you can use this, older you can use for living things and for non-living things, means for human beings also, right? But this elder you can use for the people, basically for family members. In the same way, oldest word also you can use for non-living things, for animals, and for human beings. But this eldest word will be used only for human beings, right? So let's do some exercise on the behalf of this understanding. Our first exercise is that fill the suitable degree of old in the given sentences. You need to fill the suitable degree here. Okay, so let's do that. Basically, old, older, elder, oldest, and eldest. These adjectives you have to fill. Our first sentence is that Mohit is dash to Rohit. Elder or older? Which word will come? Raise your hand if you know the answer. Answer is quite easy. Let me see who can give me the answer. Dear students, please wait a while. Let me do some setting from my end. Please wait. Let me extend this box so that I can see your name accurately. Okay. First of all, Ekansh has raised his hand. Ekansh, please tell me which is the suitable word here.
Sir, Mohit is elder to Rohit.
Elder, E-L-D-E-R.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, very good, right answer. Because basically, yes, when older and elder, whatever we want to fill, we can fill here. But see that in sentence two is written there with the two means like before the two we should use elder, not older. So right answer is elder. Very good, nice answer you have given, Ekansh. Next sentence, Ram and Sham are good friends. Ram is then Sham, elder or older? Who will tell me? Rachit, please you tell me, Rachit, which word will come here?
Elder.
E or O? E-L-D-E-R or O-L-D-E-R? Rachit, I'm not getting your answer. Rachit,
E-L-D-E-R.
Sorry, again say.
E-L-D-E-R.
E-L-D-E-R. Actually, Rachit, you have tried very well, but your answer is not right. Older word will come. You know, I have told you for human beings, we can use older too. Okay. But you can see here, then word is mentioned here. When two word is mentioned, so we need to fill elder. When then word is mentioned there, so we should use older, not elder. So older is right here. Okay. Next sentence. In the last 3 years, I have bought 2 cycles. One is of red color and the other is of blue color. Right? And here I want to say that the red cycle is then the other. The red cycle is then the other. So which word will come? Let me see. Harshita, you please tell me. Harshita, you please tell me.
सर इसका आंसर ओल्डर आएगा.
Yes, older आएगा because we are talking about the cycle. So that is the non-living thing. For the non-living things, we should not use elder. We should use older. It's right answer. Very good. Next sentence is that I have 3 dogs. Jackie, Tommy, and Sheru. Sheru is the dog of these 3 dogs. So which word will come? Oldest or eldest? Sheru is the oldest dog of three dogs or eldest dog of these 3 dogs. Which word will come? Nandini, you please tell. Nandini, come forward.
Sir, oldest.
OL, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good, right answer. Because for animals, we should use older, means like oldest, not eldest. So oldest is right answer. For animals, for non-living things, and for human beings also, we can use oldest, right? But eldest only we can use for the human beings, like basically for the family members. Next, this is the tree in the forest. Oldest or eldest? This is the oldest tree in the forest or this is the eldest tree in the forest? Which word will come here? Who will let me know? Natik, you please tell me. Natik, give me the answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes, what is the answer of last sentence? Oldest or
Sir,
eldest? Oldest.
oldest.
Yes, very good. Oldest word will come because we are talking about a tree. So that's why we need to fill there oldest, not eldest. Okay,
Yes, sir.
very good. Now please down your hands because I am going to make you understand about the next adjectives. Right. So here we are going to understand about late, later, latter, latest, and last. Okay. So let's understand. Later after time, you are talking about at a time in a future. So when we talk about at a time in a future or after a time you are talking about, so in that condition we should use later word. और सिंपली यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड जब हम बात करते हैं कि बाद में बाद में टाइम के बारे में कहते हैं कि टाइम में बाद में, तो उस रेफरेंस के लिए हम लेटर वर्ड को यूज करते हैं. लाइक योर ऑनलाइन क्लास time is 9:30, right? And suppose Mohit joined the class at 9:35 and Rohit joined the class at 9:40. तो रोहित ने टाइम के रेफरेंस में क्लास को बाद में ज्वाइन किया, तो बाद में की सेंस के लिए यानी कि टाइम को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए जब हम बाद वाला वर्ड यूज करते हैं, तो फॉर दैट सेंस, फॉर दैट रेफरेंस वी नीड टू यूज लेटर. सो वी नीड टू से दिस सेंटेंस, Rohit joined the class later than Mohit. Rohit joined the class later than Mohit. यानी कि रोहित ने मोहित से लेट क्लास को ज्वाइन किया. राइट. I will meet you later मीन्स टाइम के रेफरेंस में बता रहे हैं कि मैं तुम्हें बाद में मिलूंगा. I will call you later टाइम के रेफरेंस में बता रहे हैं कि मैं तुम्हें बाद में फोन करूंगा. So whenever we talk about the time and we are talking about after the time or at the time in future, for those sense we should use later word, right? And now let's talk about latter. Latter, the second of two things of the people mentioned. जब दो चीजों को मेंशन किया गया टाइम के रेफरेंस में नहीं, जब दो चीजों को मेंशन किया गया होगा उसमें से दूसरे वाली बाद वाली उसकी मीनिंग के लिए, बाद वाले की मीनिंग के लिए वी यूज लेटर वर्ड. ओके, लाइक आई स्टडी साइंस एंड इंग्लिश. मैं साइंस और इंग्लिश को पढ़ता हूं, बट आई लाइक लेटर देन फॉर्मर. लेटर मतलब बाद वाली. बाद वाला कौन सा सब्जेक्ट है? इंग्लिश को भी मैंने बोला है, पहला साइंस है, तो फॉर्मर का मतलब होता है पहले वाला, सीक्वेंस में पहले वाला. लेटर का मतलब होता है सीक्वेंस में, उस लाइन में दूसरे वाला. सो लेटर वी कैन यूज the second of two things or people mentioned. Okay, the latter subject is most important subject, so it means I'm talking about their English, यानी कि बाद वाला, बाद में जो mention किया गया, right? So both the words are used for like same meaning, almost same meaning, means बाद में, बाद वाला. But when we talk about time, so we should use letter, L-A-T-E-R. But when we talk about sequence, so we should use letter, L-A-T-T-E-R. Right? Next, latest, the most recent or newest. जब हम सबसे न्यूएस्ट, नवीनतम की बात करते हैं, so we talk about their latest. What is the latest news? मतलब कि सबसे न्यूनतम न्यूज क्या है अब तक की, रिसेंट की न्यूज क्या है, right? Please install the latest version of this software. Last, and last word we can use for the personal thing after everyone or everything else. जो चीज बिल्कुल अंत में हो, अंतिम हो, उनके लिए हम लास्ट यूज करते हैं, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही वॉज लास्ट ऑफ हिज फैमिली, राइट? वो अपनी फैमिली का सबसे लास्ट पर्सन है. इट इज द लास्ट क्वेश्चन, अंतिम क्वेश्चन है. Our house is the last one on the left before the traffic light. ट्रैफिक लाइट से पहले लास्ट में है, लेफ्ट में, right? So for the nवीनतम meaning we need to use latest, and for the antim meaning we need to use last. Okay, And before this, I have told you about later. Later means बाद में, time के reference में बाद में. Later means बाद में, but sequence में. Right? On the behalf of this, we will do one exercise. Let's do this. Fill the suitable degree of the late in the given sentences. So in the given sentences, you need to fill the degree of late. Okay, means like late, latter, or later, or last, or latest. Let's do that. I came late or later than I. So he came late or later than I. So which word will come? You need to tell dear student first or second. Okay, because sometimes you pronounce the same word. Sejal, you please tell me, Sejal, and please stop the video. Sejal, please stop the video. Meanwhile, Vivek, please you tell me, Vivek. Vivek Raj, please tell me which word will come first or second.
Later. Sir, later.
First or second?
Sir, first.
Yes, very good, because we are talking about the time. Okay, right answer. Next. Next is that Mr. Ram and Mr. Shyam are good teachers, but I prefer the latter or later. Which word will come first or second? You need to say first or second. Let me see. Yug Chaudhary, you please tell me. Yug, which word will come?
Sir, letter.
First or second?
Sir, second.
Yes, very good, because we are talking about the sequence. हम कहना चाहते हैं कि बाद वाला. Mr. Sham हम कहना चाहते हैं. If you want to say बाद वाला, means in sequence second one, so we need to say latter, not later. But when we talk about the time, so in that case we should use later. It's very good, right answer, latter. Next question is that, next sentence is that, which is the railway station while going towards Delhi from Garonda? Which is the latest railway station, or which is the last railway station while going towards Delhi from Garonda? जब हम गोंडा से दिल्ली जाते हैं तो कौन सा स्टेशन आता है, लास्ट या लेटेस्ट? Which word we need to mention? Prince will tell me. Prince, please tell me.
Sir, last.
Yes, yes, last will come, because we are talking about the final railway station. Okay, so that's why we need to fill their last word, that is in sequence. So last is right here. जब कुछ टाइम के रेफरेंस में बिल्कुल अंतिम हो तब हमें लेटेस्ट यूज करना है. जब कुछ सीक्वेंस में कुछ अंतिम हो तब हमने लास्ट यूज करना है. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द लास्ट न्यूज और लेटेस्ट न्यूज? What is the last news and what is the latest news? Mamta will let me know. Mamta, please come forward.
Sir, latest.
Latest. Basically, we say this sentence when we talk about the latest news. So that's why we need to say the latest news. What's the latest news? Very good, right answer. Next sentence is that, what was the question I had asked in the class? Last or latest? What was the question I had asked in the class? So who will let me know? Naman Thakur, you please tell me. Naman.
Sir, last.
Yes, what was the last question I had asked in the class? Very good, right answer. Come on, the next sentence. Now please down your hand, dear students, because next term we are going to understand. After that, again, we will do one exercise. Down your hand, please. So basically, we are going to understand here far, farther, further, farthest, and furthest. Okay? Far का मतलब होता है दूर. Okay, let's understand. Far, a greater distance away from something. Like I can say I saw her on the far side of road. मैंने उसको रोड की दूसरी दूर वाली जो साइड है वहां पे उसको देखा, यानी कि दूर के मीनिंग के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं फॉरवर्ड. नेक्स्ट, आई केप्ट टेबल इन द फार कॉर्नर, दूर वाले कॉर्नर में टेबल को रखा. एंड farther we can use at or to a degree, sorry, a greater distance in a space or time. जब हम टाइम या स्पेस की कंपेयर करते हैं किस चीज को, तब हम farther यूज कर सकते हैं. लाइक he swam farther than me, he swam farther than me. कहीं पे देखो आप खड़े हो, किसी ने वहां पे स्वैम करके यानी कि स्विम करके आया, वहां पे उसने आपसे आगे तक स्विम किया, जहां पे आप खड़े हो उससे भी आगे तक किया. तो अब वहां पे एक स्पेस के डिस्टेंस के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, उससे ज्यादा एरिया कवर किया, तो वहां पे बोल सकते हो ही स्वैम फार्दर देन मी. पानीपत बस स्टैंड इज फार्दर देन पानीपत टोल. अगर आप घोंडा खड़े हो तब बोल सकते हो जो कि घोंडा का बस स्टैंड है ना, तो पानीपत के टोल से ज्यादा दूर है. तो ज्यादा दूर के लिए स्पेस में ज्यादा दूर के लिए आप फार्दर यूज करोगे, आप बोलोगे पानीपत बस स्टैंड इज फार्दर देन पानीपत टोल if you are standing in Gronda, right? Now let's talk about further. Further means at a more advanced level, more or additional. हम कहते हैं ना कि आगे की जानकारी या आगे की कोई बात या मोर एडवांस जो इंफॉर्मेशन होती है या अतिरिक्त जानकारी जो होती है, अतिरिक्त वर्ड के लिए, आगे के लिए, इन चीजों के लिए यूज करते हैं फर्दर. ओके, लाइक द फर्दर डिटेल्स आई विल गिव यू टुमारो, यानी कि आगे की जानकारी है, स्पेस में नहीं पर टाइम में नहीं, जो इंफॉर्मेशन है, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन जो है, उनके लिए हम फर्दर यूज करेंगे. द फर्दर डिटेल आई विल गिव यू टुमारो. नो फर्दर डेवलपमेंट्स हैव बीन रिपोर्टेड, कोई भी आगे का डेवलपमेंट रिपोर्टेड नहीं किया गया, राइट? वी हैव डिसाइडेड टू टेक नो फर्दर एक्शन, हमने डिसाइड किया है कि हम आगे कोई एक्शन नहीं लेंगे, आगे का एक्शन कोई नहीं लेंगे, right? So this is the difference between farther and further. When we talk about distance, so there you have to use farther, but when you talk about advanced level or more or additional, so there you have to use further, right? Now on the behalf of this understanding, dear students, now let's do this exercise. Fill the stable degree of far in the given sentences, right? First sentence is that Delhi is space then Sonipat from Gronda. जो Delhi है वो सोनीपत से ज्यादा दूर है घोंडा से. So which word will come here? Farther and farther or further? Please raise your hand. Students, please raise your hand. Let me see who can tell me. Yes, Kesar, you please tell me.
Farther.
Yes, farther, because we are talking about the distance, right? That's why we need to use farther. F-A-R-T-H-E-R. Means first option is right. Very good. Right answer. Next sentence is that we don't know about farther lockdown or further lockdown. We don't know about farther lockdown or further lockdown. Which word will come? You have to tell me first or second. Okay. Let me see. Muskan, you please tell me. Muskan, you please tell me.
So second.
Second means further. Very good. Because we are not talking about the distance. We are talking about something that is abstract, means additional, right? So we need to say here, we don't know about further. F-U-R-T-H-E-R. Further lockdown. Next, don't make delay. Don't make delay. यानी कि आगे देरी मत करो. Delay means देरी करना. So what word will come here? Farther or further? First or second? Who will let me know? Gracie, you please tell me. Gracie, please tell me.
Sir, second.
Second means further will come, because we are talking about the distance. That's why we need to fill here further, means additional meaning we want to convey here. Is right answer. Next, little, less, lesser, and least. So now please down your hand about these adjectives we are going to understand. Little, less, lesser, and least. Okay. So little means small in amount, size और quantity. जब कोई चीज quantity में, size में, किसी चीज में थोड़ी सी हो, तो हम use करते हैं little, right? Like I can say I have little milk, यानी कि मेरे पास बहुत थोड़ा सा milk है. He gave a little smile, उसने एक छोटी सी smile दी. Less. Now comparative degree of little we use less for a smaller amount or quantity. जब हम किसी से compare करते हैं और कहते हैं कि ये amount उस amount से थोड़ा है, कम है, छोटा है, then we need to use less. Like I eat less sugar than I used to. यानी जितनी शुगर मैं पहले खाता था उससे अब कम शुगर खाता हूँ, कम चीनी खाता हूँ. So I'm talking about the lesser amount. Okay, so less amount. So there I need to use less word. Getting out of bed in summer is less difficult than in winter. यानी कि विंटर में सुबह जागना और गर्मी में सुबह जागना, गर्मी में जागना कम मुश्किल है. Right? So we are talking about less amount of difficulty. So that's why we need to use their less word. Right? Lesser we can use for a smaller quality, not quantity. मात्रा की बात नहीं करते, जब हम बात करते हैं उसकी क्वालिटी की, उसके गुण की, तब हम यूज करते हैं lesser. Like he was a lesser leader than many other Indian leaders. यानी कि जितने और इंडियन लीडर्स हैं, वो जो लीडर है वो उससे लेसर है, यानी कि उसमें लीडर की क्वालिटी कम है. जब हम कम क्वालिटी की बात करते हैं, क्वांटिटी की नहीं, मात्रा की नहीं, क्वालिटी की कम बात करते हैं, तब हम लेसर वर्ड यूज करते हैं. The taste of this sugar is lesser than the usual sugar. जो टेस्ट है ना शुगर का, जो चीनी का जो टेस्ट है वो कम मीठा है, यानी कि उसकी क्वांटिटी में कोई फर्क नहीं है, बट उसकी क्वालिटी जो है वो कम है, पहले से कम है, जो यूजुअल शुगर होती है उससे कम है. So for that sense, when we talk about smaller quantity, there we have to use lesser, right? Let's do this exercise on the behalf of this understanding. When we talk about less amount, so we need to use less word. But when we talk about lesser quantity, so there we have to use lesser word. So do this exercise on the behalf of this understanding. His income is then mine. His income is then mine. Less or lesser? Quantity की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे या फिर quality की बात हो रही है? So who will give me the answer? You need to say first and second. Okay. Mamta Malik, please you tell me.
Sir, less.
Less. Yes, very good. Right answer. Because we are talking about quantity, not quality. Very good. Next, choose the laborious of two. Less or lesser? Choose the laborious of two. यहाँ पे क्वांटिटी की बात हो रही है या क्वालिटी की बात हो रही है? लेबोरियस का मतलब होता है मेहनती, मेहनत करने वाला. एकांश, you please tell me.
Sir, lesser.
Lesser.
Sir, second.
Yes,
Second.
right answer, because we are talking about here quality, not quantity. So that's why we need
Yes,
to
sir.
mention here lesser. Very good, right answer. Next sentence is that 2 is then 5. 2 is less than 5 or lesser than 5? Less than 5 or lesser? I'm talking about quantity or quality? Varsha, you please tell me. Sorry, Vansh, you please tell me. Vansh, please tell me. Okay. Yug Chaudhary, you please tell me.
Sir,
Which word?
less.
Less, because we are not talking about the quality, we are talking about the quantity. 2 is less than 5. जो 2 होते हैं वो 5 से कम होते हैं. So it means we are talking about the quantity, not quality. That's why we need to fill here less. Next, choose the honest boy of the 2 boys. Choose the less honest boy of 2 boys, or the less or the lesser. Which word will come here? Please tell me. Gracie, you please tell me.
Sir, lesser.
Lesser. Yes, very good, because we are talking about the quality, not quantity. Yes, very good, right answer. Next is that there is coffee in his cup than in mine. Less or lesser? Which word will come? Manika, you please tell me. Manika?
Sir, less.
Less, because we are talking about the quantity, means मात्रा के बारे में बता रहे हैं. It's very good, you have given the right answers. So it's enough for today, and the rest of exercise we will do tomorrow. So now, dear students, if you want to ask any question regarding today's class, please come forward, raise your hand. Otherwise, I am going to end the class.